hiring a cleaner by the day in Colombia can still create labor obligations. The phrase "only on Tuesdays" does not automatically make it casual or independent. Here is the clean way to think about it. First, decide what you are hiring. If someone is coming into your home regularly for domestic work, like cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking, or basic household help, Colombia's UGPP says that relationship belongs under an employment contract, even when it is by days. If it is a cleaning company that manages its own team, method, schedule, and result, that may be different. And a truly one-time job, like post-construction cleaning, can also be different. The mistake is trying to solve that classification later, after the person has visited 3 times, has the building access, and both sides understood full cleaning differently. Before booking anyone, write the scope, not general cleaning. Write the number of bathrooms, bedrooms, balcony, kitchen, floors, dusting, and what is not included. Separate laundry, ironing, windows, oven, fridge, and delicate surfaces. Confirm who brings gloves, cloths, and products. Mention pets, kids, allergies, elevator rules, keys, alarm codes, and who receives the person. Then prioritize. If you have 4 hours, choose the 3 results that matter most. A half day cannot carry an 8-hour list without disappointment. For payment, ask how the price is calculated: by day, by hours, by scope, or by result. Confirm if transport, supplies, or a second person changes the agreement. And if the help is recurrent domestic service, that message organizes the work, but it does not replace the contract, social security, or benefits. For providers, there is also a real opening. In July 2026, Colombia Move had 0 active cleaning listings. A clear listing with zone, availability, scope, and limits can stand out fast. Colombia Move serves Colombians, expats, sellers, renters, buyers, service providers, and local businesses. To read the full guide or post a cleaning service for free, go to colombiamove.com.